Hello all, do you guys know you can browse through your Alexa voice commands and you can delete them whenever you want. To do that, you just need to go to your Alexa app and then click on more and then click on settings and then you can click on Alexa privacy. So once you click on Alexa privacy, you will see an option called review your voice history, and you also see an option called manage your Alexa data. So from any of these two options you can see your voice recordings and you can delete them. So like I have clicked on review voice recordings. So here you can go and select your device, whichever device you want to see and what history you want to see, like from past 30 days, 7 days, or all history. So if I click on last 7 days and my echo show apply changes, you will see whatever commands I have passed to Alexa, those you can see here. So you can delete them one by one or you can delete the whole recording. So if you want to delete one by one, just click on the command and then click on the delete recording button. So it will gonna delete that command. So now if you want to delete all, you can directly see a button here, delete all recording from last 7 days. You can click on that delete button. So it will delete all those recordings. And if you want to delete your voice command through Alexa, for that you need to go to manage your Alexa data, and here you see an option called enable delete by voice. So once you enable this option, you can ask Alexa itself to delete your commands. Whatever commands you have asked to Alexa, that can be deleted by giving the commands to Alexa itself. So this is how you can see your commands in your Alexa application and you can delete them whenever you want. Thanks for watching.